Hello friends. Today we will talk about the history of Sindh. Sindh is a province in southeastern Pakistan, bordered by Balochistan to the west and Punjab to the north. Its history dates back to the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest civilizations. Throughout history, Sindh has been influenced by various empires, including the Mauryan Empire, the Arab Caliphate, and the British Empire. In 1947, Sindh became a province of the newly formed country of Pakistan. Since then, it has experienced both economic growth and political turmoil. In the 1970s, Sindh was a center of political activity, with the rise of the Pakistan People's Party, PPP, led by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. However, Bhutto was later executed by the military regime of General Zia-ul-Haq. In the 1980s and 1990s, Sindh was racked by ethnic and political violence, with clashes between the PPP and the Muttahida Qawmi movement, MQM, which represented the Urdu-speaking minority. The province also suffered from a devastating drought in 2000, which led to widespread food shortages. In recent years, Sindh has seen economic growth driven by its agricultural sector, as well as the development of its ports and industrial areas. However, the province continues to face challenges, including poverty, corruption, and political instability. Let all pray for the development of Sindh.